Hi guys, this video is on how to install MI11X ROM on your Poco F3, MI11X or Redmi K40. So the prerequisites are you need an unlocked bootloader and remove all your voice accounts, and then you need to remove all your Mi account. Then all you do is boot to TWRP by pressing power and volume up. After it boots, go clear Huawei card cache, then go to ADB sideload, then swipe to turn on ADB sideload. Then in your PC, what we do is go to your platform tools or minimally ADB fastboot tools, open CMD there and type ADB sideload and drag and drop the zip and click on enter and sit back and relax until the ROM gets flashed. After the ROM gets flashed, make sure there are no errors and ignore the fail to mount errors. And now go to wipe format data tab, yes, and enter for the data wait for the data to get formatted, then click on reboot system. If it gives you an error saying no OS installed, just ignore it and don't panic, it's just normal, and swipe to reboot, and now you'll be booted to the MI11X ROM. Okay, now we have booted to the ROM and you can see that the animations are working like a boss. We are on the MI11X ROM based on Android 12 and everything is working properly.